This is the Lego puzzle box I made. This is based on the one which is video I saw on internet. So can you find an entrance for it inside it? Look closely. I don't think you can find an entrance. Well, I'll show you the entrance now. You can see here, just slide, try to take the wall here and then slide this key out and then flip it over and then make it here and push it in. You can see this box has come out now. Now remove this key from inside the box and fit the key. No, first you see if you can find an entrance to this treasure box. Box number 2. I guess not, or maybe yes. So now I will show you. You can see this big gap here. Try to fit the next key in here. And then stick it on top and flip it. And money, 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 money. I am rich. That way you can become rich. Thanks for watching the video. And I'll tell you a secret. This is actually my money, not a treasure.